Hi, Dr. Gulani. So it's Friday evening, and a number of radial keratotomy patients flew back home. You know, it's Flyback Friday here, day one after their surgery, and the pleasure and privilege I have of restoring their vision from very complex radial keratotomy situations that they came with. And though we had thousands of reviews and testimonials from patients from around the world, another review came in today from a radial keratotomy patient, actually 2 days ago, but my staff brought it to my nose. And he himself is a wonderful surgeon, this patient. And he came to me with very complex radial keratotomy, eyes with corneal scars, irregular astigmatism, poor vision, fluctuating vision, and also ocular surface irritability and dryness. So I designed a plan and performed the moist therapy for him first and helped him with the ocular tear film stability and dryness, and then performed LaZrPlastique surgery and brought him to vision. Now, what is amazing is if you read this review that he has written, he is calculating his vision over days and weeks as if expecting perfection, which all of you do with me. And though I don't guarantee 20/20 to any patient, despite my track record that I've had for decades in RK patients. It's amazing how each one expects that perfect 20/20 with me. And once he landed there, even though it took him weeks with his complex eye, how ecstatically he has written and he called me and we spoke on the phone, and he's back to being an amazing surgeon that he is. So it still reminds me, no matter how complex your eyes are, and no matter how much I educate y'all when y'all come here about your complexities, about how difficult my work is, that all of you amazing patients still expect perfect vision from me, no matter how complex things are. I had a patient who actually took a year. He did great, but his cornea was so complex from RK that a year later he called me that he's 20/20. Now, I never said that he'll be 20/20. It was a very complex eye, but I was able to do my laser plastic. So each RK patient is so different. Even though you may not be 40 cut RKs or 45 cut RK, which have also helped, but you may be a 4 cut, 8 cut, 16 cut, but more than 16 sometimes, your cornea may be so disrupted with associated intersecting cuts that it becomes difficult to predict. And even with my work done so well, I cannot predict whether you'll see perfect at week one or month one or even 3 months. And so, even though I say that to patients all the time, and they're clear about this, it's fascinating how patients record their vision. Maybe just my patients, all of you type AA. So just wanted to share this review with you. Of course, we have thousands of reviews and testimonials and patient journeys on our YouTube channel, real patients from around the world, completely unincentivized and completely impromptu, to inspire my profession and to make sure that no radial keratotomy patient feels despair or loses hope. No matter how complex you are, you can be helped. So, Dr. Joe, thank you for this review, and just want to share with the RK community. And again, it's my privilege.